If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in intermediate level. So today we will see, suppose a normal is given at T1 and it is again meeting the parabola at the point T2. So it becomes a normal chord. So what is the condition of normal chord that you can say? That we will see. Okay, then let's see this. So normal of a parabola at T1, at a particular point you have taken a normal and that normal is meeting again the parabola at T2. So what is the condition for that? If you have a normal at T1 and it is again meeting the parabola at some other point T2. So what is the condition? Let us see what happens in this case. So if a normal at P1 meets the parabola again at T2, then we know this is a normal chord. So it has a special name. So it is normal also and it is making chord also. So it is known as normal chord. So that means we are seeing the condition for normal chord. You can remember it like condition for normal chord we are seeing. What is normal chord? It is normal at a point, it is meeting and it is meeting parabola at another point. So it became chord also and at one point it is normal also. Okay. So what is the equation of a normal at T1? This equation we know from the normal parametric form, equation of a tangent and equation of a normal. So this one we already know. So what is the equation of a chord? T1, T2 is given. That also we know from the equation of chord. That one is, so this is the equation of the normal that you can see that I have written there, and this is the equation of the chord. This is the equation of the chord. If T1 is T2 is given, then this is the equation of the chord. You can remember it or you can easily, 2 points are given, you can easily find it out. Okay, so this is the equation of the chord. So this is the chord and this is also normal also. So both this is representing same line PQ. This equation and this equation, they should represent same line because it should be chord also and should be normal at one point also. If both has to be same line, then the ratios is to be same. Because it is, I have told you, suppose one equation is x plus y plus equal to 2 and 2x plus 2y if you multiply. So these and these represent same straight line. It is nothing but you multiply it by 2. So it doesn't mean that if everything gets multiplied by 2, the entire thing, then it represents the same equation only. Okay. So because they are same, so the ratio of the coefficients would be same. So a1 by a2, you have seen your class 10, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. There was infinite solution because both the lines were same line. So same line means there are infinitely, they are one above another one. So there are infinite intersecting points. So that was the condition. So same coincident line. So y coordinate 1 by t1 plus t2, x coordinate t1 by minus 2. If you bring it this side, then c1 by c2 this by this. So if you do this one and if you see this one, if you take reciprocal and calculate t2, so this one you will get it. So t2 is equal to minus t1 minus 2 by t1. So if this condition satisfies, then we say it becomes a normal chord. Normal at what point? You have to remember it. Normal not at t2, normal at t1. If it is at normal at t1 and it has to be a normal chord, then the second point of the chord should be t2 should be equal to minus t1 minus 2 by t1. If this happens, then it becomes a normal chord. Condition for normal chord, you have to remember this point also. It is normal at T1, not at T2. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.